Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a complete walkthrough of Smartlead.ai, one of the most powerful cold email automation tool. We will go step by step through setting up your account, launching your first campaign, warming up your inbox and managing replies very efficiently. So just go to Google, search for Smartlead.ai. Now let's check out the pricing here. So if you just go to the pricing, this is a monthly plan and yearly is quite let's say expensive here, which is around 17%. Now here you can see there are 3 tier plans here, and you can start with any one of them and you can start your free trial basically. Right now this is an add-on, so you can just buy add-on in the second and third tier plan. So let's go and click on get started for free, and here it will ask your free name. By the way, it's completely free trial, 14 days free trial here. So you can just write here your name here, your email, and create password, company URL, and where did you find us. So you can just write here Google or YouTube and simply go and click on create now. Now here it will ask you some of this basic question here. What's your goal with Smart Lead? You can write here or select any one of this option here. Now let's go and click on next. Once you are logged in Smartlead, you will land on the main dashboard. Now here, there are campaign tabs show you all current and past campaigns. Here we will go one by one and in detail. Then there are warm-up tabs let you monitor inbox health, and there's inbox sections, leads, report, and settings. So we'll go one by one here. Very first things option on the left side, there is a collapsible menu here. Now let's create our first campaign here. Let's go and click on create your first campaign. Easily add or update lead contacts here option if you want to. So here simply you have to import a set of data. So here once you add a folder, and you can just turn this on. This is by default, so I will just make it by default here. Now this is a folder, this is a CSV file I have mentioned here. This is a lead file. Now here you can just enter your client ID. This is optional, this is not necessary here. Now this is a map field, so map CSV column to the variables you want to add it to the campaigns. So this is I want to do with the email sections here. Now click on save and next. So no email imported. I think this was the my entire thing, but I just, if you are facing the same issue, then the problem could be that the information is not in a proper manner. So make sure you create a column and proper rows and then try to import the data. So here I have re-uploaded the data form here, and there's a lead ID, full name, and all this information. So here you can just check out all this information. So you have to make sure, let's say this is a lead ID. Now this is a full name, right? And here you can just make sure you have all this information correct, and simply just go and click on save and next. So there are 15 leads, automatically it will identify here. Now here you can add your email. Let's say I want to add first of all the subjects here. Now you can add you can just write here compose with AI if you want to do it. So you just need your to connect with your ChatGPT 4, and automatically you can do it with your AI. So that is really easy. Once you save it, then you have to choose the sender account. So here you can choose the sender account here, and you can save email accounts, and this is schedule campaign, so you can schedule the campaign. So whether you want to send it at this specific time zone, so make sure you select the time zone depending upon your client's country time zones here. Now you can select the day, whether you want to send it on the weekends or on the weekdays, and what time it will be. An email will be sent every 20 minutes, or you can just write here every 120 minutes here. So 4 trigger will be sent a day, right? If I reduce the time, then the trigger point will increase here, right? So let's say 120, that is 4, and if I just reduce to 20 after every 20 minutes, then the trigger point will be around 27. So 27 times email will be sent. Now you can set the campaign date here. So let's say I will just put it here 9. Max number of new leads reach per person campaign, that is basically 100. So you have to set each and everything. Now select the time zone and click on save. Right now here this is a sender account, so choose sender account. So you have to add here, and you can search for a specific email, or you can save email accounts directly from here. And once you have done it, then just go and click on save and next, and the last stage will be final review. So it will ask you for all this information. So these are the emails which I have imported from the data, and click on select email account. Let's say I want to go with Emily, and here select it, and just go and click on send. So it will start the campaign. So this is the entire process, and this is really simple. And if you don't know what is warm up tab, so warm up tab is basically, choose a inbox where you just connected and click enable warm up. So smart lead will now send and receive email with a network of other users, automatically making them as important as replying to them. You can even run this as a spam test, and you can even send this to check out this whether this is working properly or not. So this is the entire process to create the campaign. Now you can create, obviously you can create as many campaign as you want, which will show up here. So how many emails are sent and how many emails are opened, replied, and whether they were bounced, sender bounce, or all this information will show up here. If you want to check, if you want to edit, so you can do it directly from here. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Now this is a master inbox. So here you just need to connect your email, and if you don't know how to connect it, it's really easy. I will show you. Now here all this email replies will show up here directly. Now this is an email account, so this is where we are going to connect. So you can connect your Google, Outlook, and SMTP, so that's completely up to you. Now let's connect with the Google account. Now here choose one of your Google account here, right? Oh, the app is blocked, there's an issue here. Let's try with another Google account here. Okay, so I'm facing some of this issue here. It's not working on directly on the Google account, so you have to give the Gmail authentication here, and you can do it the Outlook, and automatically all this email which you are receiving on this specific email, I mean Gmail, automatically will show up in the master inbox, right? So that is the easy and the fastest process here, and all the leads will show up here. So the data, the file, the CSV file or document which I uploaded, so this is the data, and it's showing me this information here, and it's showing me which email it is and when it was created. So it was created today, and this was the time here. And is this email is connected to any campaign? Yes, I just created a sample campaign in this tutorial, and it's showing me. So if it is connected with the true, then it will show here campaign associated to. Right, now this is an integration, so you can integrate your CRM or sales service or here. So this is a HubSpot, you can connect it, and there are some other information, I mean there are some other integration and softwares are available here, but there are not all of them. So I use HubSpot, so that is a good for me. Now this is a client access. Now you can give client access of some of your campaign. Now just go and click on add a client here, and you have to enter the name and email and create password, and just go and click on create client, and automatically they will able to log in. Now this is a global analytics. So all this campaign which you're running, I mean if you're running 4 email campaigns, and all the email campaigns will show up here. So what's the exact data will show up directly here. Now this is a smart delivery. Now what is smart delivery? So you can create a quick test or set up your email deliverability monitoring directly from here. Ensure your email gets delivered with our one-time deliverability test here. You can optimize it, and this is a folders, there's a mailbox insights, and pretty much easy thing to do. Now this is a smart server, so you can use dedicated smart server to make the most out of your campaign, improve deliverability, and gain control of your infrastructure. So these are some of the benefits you can check out, and you can just add your own server. So you don't need to you don't need to use Smartlead server here. Now this is a university, so you can whatever the new announcement and feature they are releasing, you can check out and learn directly from here. So I hope you understood each and everything about this Smartlead.ai. And if you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more SaaS walkthroughs, and comment below if you want a deep dive into Smartlead AI features or inbox rotation tricks. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.